Here's how to fix VLC Player not playing videos. First, open VLC Media Player. Once the application is running, go to the Help menu at the top and select Check for Updates. This will make sure you're using the latest available version of VLC Media Player. If you're already up to date, close the update window and continue. Next, go to Tools and select Preferences. At the bottom of the Preferences window, click Reset Preferences. When the confirmation message appears, select OK. After that, go back to Tools, open Preferences again, and select the Video tab. Here, you'll find the Output section, which is normally set to Automatic. Try changing this setting from Automatic to another available option. I recommend testing Direct3 D11 first, and you can also try OpenGL Video Output. You can test the other options as well to find the one that works correctly on your system. If you're still having playback problems, in the Preferences window, select the All option at the bottom to display the advanced settings. From the menu on the left, open Input/Codecs. Then find the Video Codec section and expand it. Look for FFmpeg and select it. Inside the FFmpeg settings, find Hardware Decoding. If it's currently set to Automatic, change it to Disable. Then click Save and try playing your video again to check whether the problem has been resolved. If the issue continues, go back to Tools and Preferences, select All again, and open Input Codecs from the menu on the left. Scroll down and find the Advanced section. Inside this section, you'll see the File Caching option. Change this value to 1000. Then find the Disk Caching option and change that value to 1000 as well. After making those changes, return to Video Codecs and open FFmpeg again. Find the option called Skip the Loop Filter for H.264 decoding. Change this setting from None to All. Once you've done that, click Save to apply the changes. Then try playing your video again. If VLC is still not working correctly, close VLC Media Player. Then open the Start menu, search for Task Manager, and open it. Inside Task Manager, use the search box at the top and search for VLC. Make sure VLC isn't still running in the background. If you find it in the list, right-click it and select End Task. Now, open the Start menu again and search for Run. Open the Run application. In the Run window, type %, app data %, and press Enter. This will open the app data folder on your computer. Scroll through the folders until you find the VLC folder, then open it. Inside this folder, press Ctrl+A on your keyboard to select everything. Right-click the selected files and choose the Delete option to remove the stored VLC settings and files. Once you've cleared the contents of this folder, launch VLC Media Player again. This will allow the application to recreate its required settings, and it should resolve many configuration-related playback problems. If you're still unable to play a particular video after trying all of these methods, the problem may actually be with the video file itself. In that case, check whether the file is corrupted by trying to open it in another media player. If the same file doesn't play elsewhere either, there's a good chance the file itself is damaged rather than VLC being the problem. And that's it. So that's all for this video. Thanks.